In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel Canva subscription. To get you started, the first thing that you will need to do is to open Canva on your device and sign into your account. Now click on the top right corner of your screen and click on plans and pricing. And this will ask you where you want to open the Canva website on the available browser on your device. So just go ahead and select the browser of your choice. Now on the Canva site, go ahead and click on the top right corner of your screen and click on the settings. This will take you to the settings page of Canva where you'll be able to find all of your information on the platform. Go ahead and head over to the billing and plans, and in here you'll be able to find your payment method along with the subscription that you have on Canva. So under the subscriptions for your team, go ahead and click on the three dots beside it and click on the cancel plan button. Now confirm the subscription cancellation for your account by clicking on the continue cancellation, and this will allow you to cancel your subscription on Canva. And that's how you can simply cancel your subscription on Canva. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.